Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you could join me. Today I have an unboxing video for you of the SCT Sampler of the month for May of 2022. Now this is a little kit that comes to you once a month. It's a subscription and you get this cute little card that you can display in your craft room, and each month has a different quote. And this is this month's quote by Laura Ingalls Wilder. So let's get into the products. Now you're going to get samples from two different collections. So this month we have a collection from Pink Fresh Studio called the Happy Art Collection, and we also have samples from the American Crafts Sweet Rush Collection by Vicki Boutin. So the items that you get each month are going to be sort of a random sampling of what would come in those collections, and not everybody's going to get the exact same thing because they divide up the collections, and then the 12 by 12 papers are cut down to 4 by 4 sometimes, or sometimes you do get some larger papers too. I think I received a one of the, I think it's 6 by 9 or something like that. But anyway, these are all the little ephemera or die cut shapes and things like that, and stickers that you get in this month's kit. And again, each month is going to be different because it's a random sampling of the two different products. But it's kind of nice to get this once a month because you get a chance to sort of spark your creativity and play with some new supplies, and that's always a great way to get started, especially when you get stuck. Sometimes our creativity gets jammed up and it's nice to look at new things. Now these glasses are so cool. They're gold and pink and green. It kind of reminds me of Miami Vice color scheme. Okay, so lots of things to play with, lots of fun to have, and one of the great things about this is, you can use this in your scrapbooking, you can use this in your card making, you can use this in any kind of crafting that you want to. Maybe you like to make decor, seasonal decor for your home. Lots of great ways to use this. You can even give some of these things as gifts if you have fellow paper crafters or crafters in your life. So lots of good things to do. I just love that love sign. Isn't that cool? It's got some gold foiling on it. And then breathtaking. I love the fonts that you get. Some neat ones, some fun ones. And these are some stickers. You can create borders. These are like border stickers to put on your projects. That's kind of nice to use borders in layering up different items on your project. I always like that. Here's a little paper one. It looks kind of cool. Check that out. Pretty neat. In a moment, I'll go ahead and sort of go through everything and put some pieces together for ideas that I have. And then there's always a die cut with this year it's been words. I haven't subscribed in past years, so I couldn't tell you what it was before, but this year every month I've gotten a word die with the outline. So that's kind of nice. You can use it with or with the outline die. It's up to you. You do have to cut those pieces apart. So now look at that texture. I hope you can see that texture on that piece of paper. That's really nice. So this collection is double-sided. Sometimes you get a collection that's only single-sided. So I'm going to go ahead and show you both sides because both of these collections are double-sided. And very bright and pretty this month. I like the rainbows. This is beautiful. I love that. That's cute too. Very pretty. I'm drawn to the dainty, pretty, florally things. I just love stuff like that, don't you? So that's a look at all of the products for this month. So if you like it, I will have the links down below. You can subscribe to the kit if you would enjoy something like this. Also, I've left links to the two different collections if you're just interested in buying something from the collections. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. I am going to put some music on while I pair some of these products together so you can kind of see what I am thinking creatively. So stay tuned.